Hello everyone, my name is Tyler and I'm one of the technicians here at My Computer Works. Today I'm going to be bringing you the first video in a series of videos that we plan to release to help you with your technology, both bringing you education and maybe some new tips and tricks that you didn't think about or consider before. Now today we're going to be considering a pretty popular topic, and that is security when working from home, right? It'll be part of a couple of videos that we bring ahead to talk about working from home. But today I really want to hone in on security. Security is huge and can really protect you from a major disaster if you are given a company device, right, that you're taking home that may be full of company data. This might not be something you think about, but you have a giant treasure trove now of company data. That could be really, really valuable to the right person, and they may want to take that from you. I'm not saying that there's spies out there going against everybody and trying to steal from their company, but realistically it could happen, right? Theft is a real thing, and to have a password on your device gives you that extra layer of security to maybe give you some peace of mind when the device is stolen, right? And then you know that they're not going to have that easy of a time getting into the device. That being said, make sure that device has a very complex password. You don't want to make sure it's not simple. You don't want it to be very easy to guess, especially if it's related to you. It could be very easy to guess. So try to think of something that's random. Lots of characters, right? We like throwing in those special characters. Throw in the ones. You want letters and numbers. Don't just make it basic, guys. Make it a complex password, and that'll protect you in the long run. I know that's been a simple tip, but today we just wanted to introduce these videos that are to come. Please like, follow, subscribe if you want to see more. We're going to bring you more in the future. And again, I know this was a simple one today, but it's a very effective one, everybody. So make sure you password protect those devices. Let's protect our company data together, and let's get together more and more week by week. We're going to bring you these videos, and I can't wait to bring some education to you guys. Again, I'm Tyler with My Computer Works. Please like, sub, and follow, and I look forward to seeing you again. Thanks, guys.